Hey, it's Nikki and I am a homemaker. Welcome to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please smash that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. And today I'm going to be making a Dorito casserole. As a lot of you know, if you watch my channel, I haven't been feeling too good, so I'm trying to make things that are going to kind of last throughout the day and easy to make and something my kids will enjoy, and this is one of the top favorites, so I can't wait to share this recipe with you guys, so stick around if you want to see. Okay, sorry, I don't know what happened to the footage a while ago, but it's 1 pound, are you showing it? 1 pound of sour cream and 22.6 ounces of cream of chicken. You can do 1 small can of cream of chicken and 1 small can of cream of mushroom. A lot of people like it that way, but my kids just like the cream of chicken taste for this. I put them in a pan. Now I'm folding it over each other. I'm going to put it on the stove for a medium to low heat and just let it warm up. Once it warms up, it's going to mix really good. See, when it looks like this, it's not ready. See how clumpy it is? You can also add, like, I don't know, I want to say like 1/4 cup of water if you want to make it more like thinner. And I'll probably just do that once it warms up a little more, just so that it'll be easier to spread. But I'll let you know how it looks whenever it is ready. Okay, so it's getting all mixed together now, and I'm going to show you. It starts to run off, and I could heat it up just a little more, but this is fine because it's going to go right straight to the oven, and I can mix this around. So I have my chicken breast in here, and as you can tell, it kind of a little burnt a little bit. So I have chicken breast, and then I also have a cup of chicken stock right next to me, so I can add it. Like the simpler, fastest way for me to shred chicken. Then I'm gonna get some of that broth because we don't want it to, get dry. You know how chicken breast can get. Put about 1 cup of chicken stock in there. At this point, you can add your salt and pepper or whatever seasonings you like to add. I'm just going to keep it plain because we're going to get most of the flavor from the sauce anyways, and that's just how I always do it. You can use the chicken stock that came from here, or I just did a cup of water with some chicken bouillon in it. Start preparing it. So the oven should be preheating right now at 350 degrees. I like to use these Doritos. I'm just gonna pour some on there. Doritos there, as much as you want. You could put more. And I'm gonna put little clumps of sauce, just like that. And then I just kind of like spread it. It's a little messy, but you know what? I should put more Doritos. I always get 2 bags because you'll get into the other one as well. Especially like if your kids really like this, this doesn't last long. Okay, some chicken, just spread it around. There we go. Then I'm gonna put some more sauce on top. Spread it around as much as you can. Get your shredded cheese, whatever cheese you want to use, mozzarella. I love mozzarella on this, but we didn't have any. We'll blame it on Helen. Put your cheese on there, and then we're gonna do the process all over again. This dish is actually small. I usually use a bigger baking dish. Of course, you can spread it more evenly, way better than what I'm doing. Now that I'm looking back on the video, I'm like, wow, I missed some areas. You can also add rice to this casserole. I've done that before and it tastes really, really good with the chicken and that cream of chicken. It really does. I'll layer it on there as well, and beans are really good with it too, but most definitely you could try it with the rice if you're a rice lover. Okay, at this time the oven is ready. We're gonna put this in there just until it melts, and I'm thinking a good maybe 5 to 10 minutes, depending how melted you like it. So while that's in the oven, we're gonna get the toppings going. I'm gonna do some lettuce. Get your veggies, whatever you're gonna use, cleaned up and ready. This is the time you would do that. I'm gonna use about that much. Chop it up a little finer here so it can spread. I love lettuce like in my nachos and stuff like that. Then I'm gonna do a tomato. We'll cut this colita off. If the lettuce on the knife is grossing you out, I know there's people who don't like mixing foods, veggies, nothing together, so sorry about that. I actually have somebody in my family who's like that. Alright, we got some tomato here. And I'm just gonna have these ready. Ooh, this one's a soft one. It's not cutting to the slices that I want. Anyways, make it look prettier than this, that's for sure. Oh yeah, this one's already really, well, not really soft. It's still, I mean, it's good. You can do that. You could do it with jalapenos. I don't think we have jalapeno though. Okay, I'm gonna just do this. I'm gonna wash my hands and check on the casserole. Alrighty, I put a little bit more Doritos so it can look real cute. And then I like to get some lettuce. And throw your tomatoes on there. And then your avocado. Wish the avocado looked prettier. Alrighty. Okay, and this is it. I am gonna take a thumbnail before my family devours this, because okay, so now I am gonna show you. Now, I could have done a way better job at making this look nice when I took it out, but I could not find my spatula or any type of flipper, so I am using a baking spatula, which that's why it keeps sliding off. But yeah, sorry about that. I know you will do better. Fork, my love. Yep. Girls are gonna tear it up. Look, Helen's already dipping at it. These guys never want to put it on the plate. They want to eat straight from the dish. They're so silly. Okay, guys, this is it. This is simple and easy. And if you like sour cream enchiladas, you will like this. And if you did like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and help your girl out. Until the next time, I will see you on the next video.